go. Here they go. Oh, almost. Almost in there. There he is up there. Alright, now he's got to do something. Look at the size of those. There he goes. This is the engine that's going to pull us back to Florida. Whoa.
See, even the train engine has to wear a hard hat.
There he goes up there.